Hello everyone, welcome back to the. We are clearing up a common question many users ask. Can I link my sibling's debit card to my Cash App account? Let's get straight to the point and break down what's possible and what's not with simple steps and alternatives. First thing, what you cannot do. Cash App doesn't allow linking someone else's debit card even if it's your sibling. Each account in meant for individual use only. With just one active debit card or bank account linked at a time. This rules helps prevent fraud and keeps your account secure. What you can do? You have several options. And the option number one, temporarily replace your debit card. If absolutely necessary and both of you agree, open your Cash App, tap your profile icon in the top right and linked banks, tap on debit card and select replace card. Enter your sibling's debit card details here. This will remove your existing card. You can add it back later, processed only with full trust and permission. Okay. Option number two, send money to your siblings Cash App. If your sibling has their own Cash App, open Cash App, tap dollar icon, enter the amount, tap pay. Enter your siblings cash tag, phone or email, add a note optional and tap pay. They can use their linked debit card to access the money. And option number three, use a Cash App family account. If you or your siblings is between 13 to 17 years old, a parent guardian must sponsor the teen Cash App's account. The teens will get limited access, no cap to investing or certain payments. The account is monitored and managed by the guardian. This is a great option for family budgeting or supervised spending. That's for today. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next one.